In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in CapCut PC. If you need an intro clock, a simple transition graphic, or a visible time limit for your project. CapCut on PC makes this really easy because countdown timers are already built into the app. That means you don't need to go searching online or download any extra files first. Everything you need is available directly inside CapCut. To begin, move your cursor to the top left area of the interface and click on the Media tab. This is where CapCut stores and organizes different types of visual assets you can bring into your project. Once you're in the Media section, look over to the left-hand column and click on the folder called Material Library. This library includes built-in design elements, and that's where the countdown options are located. Next, go to the search bar at the top of this panel. Click inside it, type the word countdown, and then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will show you a full grid of countdown-style animations and layouts. Take a moment to look through the options and choose a style that matches your video. Some may look cleaner and more minimal, while others may feel more energetic depending on the type of project you're editing. When you find the one you want, click the blue plus icon in the corner of that asset. As soon as you do that, the countdown will be added directly to your timeline as an overlay on an upper track. Now that the countdown is on your timeline, the next step is to make sure it blends nicely over your footage or screen recording. Go down to the timeline and click once on the countdown clip so it's selected. Then move to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video tab, stay inside the Basic section and find the Blend area. Here, open the Mode drop-down menu and change it from Normal to Screen. This setting is especially useful because it removes the black background from the countdown asset. Instead of covering what's underneath, the timer numbers will remain visible while the dark background disappears. If you're placing the countdown over something like a spreadsheet, document, or any detailed visual, this helps the timer sit on top cleanly without blocking important information. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you found a built-in countdown timer, added it to your timeline, and adjusted the blend mode so it overlays neatly on your video.